If you've got an HEIC photo and you need to turn it into a JPG, Gimp makes that process really simple. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to convert HEIC to JPG in Gimp step by step, so you can save your image in a format that works almost anywhere. Whether you're using Windows or Mac, this method is quick, free, and easy to follow. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Gimp on your computer. Once Gimp is loaded, go to the top left and click File, then choose Open. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+O on Windows, or Command+O on Mac if you want to move a little faster. This will open a file browser, so you can find the HEIC image you want to convert. Now, browse to the folder where your HEIC file is saved, click on the image, and then click Open. If a pop-up appears asking you about color profiles, just choose Keep. That's the safest option in most cases, because it preserves the image's original appearance as much as possible. Once your HEIC file is open inside Gimp, you're ready for the export step. This is important because instead of saving the file as a Gimp project, you want to export it into a standard image format like JPG. To do that, go back to the top menu, click File again, and this time select Export As. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+E on Windows, or Command+Shift+E on Mac. When the export dialog box opens, look at the name field at the top. This is where the file name and extension are shown. Right now, it will likely end in .Heic. Delete that extension and replace it with .jpeg or JPEG. Gimp will usually recognize the file type automatically based on the extension you type. If it doesn't, you can also click Select File Type by extension near the bottom and choose JPEG image from the list. After you've changed the file name to end in JPG, click the Export button. At this point, Gimp will show one more settings window for JPEG export options. This is where you can control the quality of the final image. For most situations, a quality setting somewhere between 80 and 90% is a great balance between image clarity and file size. If you want a smaller file, you can lower it a bit. If you want a cleaner looking image, keep it higher. Once you've chosen your quality level, click Export one more time, and Gimp will finish converting your HEIC file into a JPG. That's it. Your image is now saved in a much more widely supported format that you can upload, share, email, or use almost anywhere. So, just to quickly recap, open the HEIC file in Gimp. Go to Export As, change the extension from .HEIC to .jpg. Choose your JPEG quality, and export the file. That's the full process, and once you do it once, it becomes really easy to repeat anytime you need it. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and check out the channel for more simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.